Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be with you today. In case of this is the first time we meet, let me introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Võ An Khang. My student ID is PAPAV180508. I'm a student from School of Business of International University. My presentation should be last for 10 minutes. If you have any question, there is a comment section below so that you can leave your opinion there. Today's topic is BYOD good for business in chapter 5 on page 206 MIS textbook. So what I intend to do is to break down this presentation into two parts. Firstly, I will summarize the case study so that everyone can keep track on what I am talking about. Then we will move on the case study question. Now, let's start it. Firstly, to get to know this trend, I will give you some information as a summary. BYOD are year-old device. Today, with the development of technology and machines, it's almost possible to carry the work information with you. If there were not only laptops in the past, now iPad, tablet, even smartphones such as iPhone, Android phone, BlackBerry, Windows phone can handle your daily tasks as well. The concept is more extensive. It doesn't just refer the hardware, it could be your technology, how you use web browser to access mail, use other business applications that are not part of your company work tool category. Instead of equipping employees with a bunch of working iPad, companies tend to make it easier for employees to work with every mobile device with employees love. Employees often bring personal device into the workplace, and while on surface this may not seem like a big deal, it can create endless headache for the IT department and the broader organization. They may be distracted by using their device to check Facebook, Instagram, other major issues surrounding a corporate BYOD policy is the potential lack of trust between the worker and management. When management has access to personal data on employees' device. One of successful examples is Intel company. Intel was a pioneer in BYOD movement and has successfully implemented an enterprise-wide policy covering more than 30,000 employee mobile devices. Another major issue surrounding a corporate BYOD policy is the potential lack of trust between worker and management. When management has access to the personal data on employee device. To deal with this issue, Intel has established clear-cut guidelines informing employees about exactly what information can and can't see when administrators manage personal device. The company also allows employees to choose among different levels of mobile access to corporate systems, with each type accompanied by different level of security. That's what the end of the summary part. Now we're gonna to move on to answer for question. First, what are advantages and disadvantages of allowing employees to use their personal mobile device for work? About the advantage, employees using their own personal mobile device will allow business to enjoy on the same advantage of the mobile workforce without investing company money in apps or device. With the BYOD policy in place, employees can work more efficiently, flexibly, and happily. According to Fox survey data, 49% of surveyed employees say they work more efficiently on their personal device. The company takes advantage of new equipment and advanced features. About the disadvantage, IT department need to address many of logistical perils before allowing employees to use their personal mobile device, including security, inventory management, maintenance, and incorporation of mobile device into IT function and system available, and calculate the return on investment. When workers are unable to access important data or experience other mobile device issues causing terrible breakdown. Using many types of device with different operating systems such as iOS, Android, also cause many difficult to management. Second question, what are management, organization, and technology factors should be addressed when deciding whether to allow employees use their personal mobile device for work? About the manager of management, when employees make change to their personal phone, such as switching cellular carriers, changing their number phone, or buying a new mobile device, companies need to quickly and flexibly ensure that their employees are still able to remain productive. About organization, a significant portion of corporate IT resource is dedicated to managing and maintaining a large number of devices within an organization. In the past, companies tried to limit business smartphone use to a single platform, make it easier to keep track of each mobile phone device, and to run out software update or fix finish efficient inventory management system that keep track of which device employees are using, where the device is located, whether it is being used, and what software is equipped with. For unprepared company, Keep track of who gets access to what data would be a nightmare. Move to the technology. Different mobile devices have different operating systems like Android, iOS, or OS X or MacBook. The technological team have to make the software what are suitable for all operating systems. They are also have to take care about the security of the confidential information about the company on mobile device. To access company information, company network must be configured to receive connection from a device. Virtualization helps company manage mobile device easier. Now the third question. Evaluate how the companies described in this case study dealt with the challenge of BYOD. The company allowed employees to choose among different levels of mobile access to corporate systems of its type accommodated by different levels of security and use advanced network security systems in the world. They have also raised a security system for decommissioning a mobile device within a minute whatever a smartphone or tablet is lost or stolen, and compute for many types of mobile device. The final question is allowing employees to use their own smartphone for work will save the company money. Do you agree? Why or why not? I totally agree with this statement. It will every the desk supporting reduce guided related activity and schedule revisioning for every employee that's gone BYOD rather than with a corporate owner computer. And eliminate update to the platform. Many businesses had invested heavily in programs are dealing with the problem of their BYOD customers seeking support for iOS or and Android. The program allows one to switch up when implementing BYOB software and allow people to change different platforms. It will reduce computer purchasing and maintain costs. When a cost of buying phone, tablet, and